2025 Kia EV3. Kia has today revealed full details of the new Kia EV3, the company's dedicated compact EV SUV. With its combination of bold design, innovative technology, and groundbreaking features, the EV3 sets new standards never before seen in the compact EV SUV sector. Drawing on Kia's advanced technology and customer-focused values of the brand's larger, multi-award-winning EV9 SUV, the EV3 carves out its own identity. It brings a unique, immersive experience to the compact EV SUV sector. By significantly exceeding customers' expectations, the EV3 will broaden the appeal and elevate the perception of EV SUVs. Exterior design, a bold and progressive statement. Kia's opposites united design philosophy, which harnesses the creative tension generated by the divergent values of nature and modernity to deliver a harmonious whole, was central to the formation of the Kia EV3's progressive, dynamic, and dramatic design. The philosophy's influence elevates the EV3's emotional feel and ambience, seamlessly combining dynamic aesthetics with thoughtful functionality. The EV3 exudes a highly assertive presence. At the front, vertical headlamps positioned at the extremes of the clean surface facial area contribute to the creation of a wide, ultra-confident stance. A sense of ample spatial volume combines with differentiated graphics and a muscular appearance that harmonizes with the entire body. A new, robust interpretation of Kia's iconic tiger face design incorporates the brand's latest star map signature lighting concept. Arranged vertically, the daytime running lights, DRLs, further emphasize the tiger face design to project a highly confident character. In profile, the EV3 projects an aura of exceptional strength, combined with a powerful impression of agility and dynamism. The long, sloping, sleek roofline seamlessly transitions into a hatchback-style tailgate, further portraying the highly technical body design. The dynamic silhouette and voluminous cabin deliver a spacious interior, while the unique interlocking volumes and graphics further accentuate its innovative nature. The rear aspect completes the EV3's high-tech form language and purposeful stance. The thick black trim line emphasizing the connection between the SUV's sturdy C-pillar design and the dynamic roofline further enhances the vehicle's sense of strength. The simplified, geometric rear lamp design seamlessly integrates with the rear glass, framing a futuristic tailgate design with a wide, technical, and sleek appearance inspired by the tiger face star map front lighting signature. Kia offers the EV3 in 9 body colors, 2 of which have been created exclusively for the new model, Aventurin Green and Terracotta. The EV3 GT line expresses an even more rugged and adventurous appearance. At the front, the car's contrasting lower body trim further enhances the dynamic design, while the integrated lower bumper creates a sportier, more refined look. Technical vertical and horizontal graphics express a bolder image in contrast with the car's large black-clad areas. This treatment is also reflected at the rear, with a characteristic triangle wing configuration on the lower bumper, creating a similarly aggressive effect. Interior design, nature-inspired aesthetic to enhance well-being. The EV3's interior design offers a spacious cabin that comfortably accommodates 5 people. Kia has created a highly functional and effective cabin that exudes an appealing living space-like ambience, designed to be enjoyed by occupants on every journey and when the vehicle is charging. An elegant center console incorporates a sliding table and storage area. The lower area can store drinks, snacks, and even small backpacks, while personal electronic items, such as laptops and tablets, can be placed on the table when the vehicle is stationary. Along with multi-adjustable ambient lighting and ultra-comfortable seats, which incorporate a fold-back relaxation mode, the sliding table enables occupants to enjoy maximum relaxation when parked. With a 25-liter frunk and a 460-liter rear load capacity, the EV3 offers the largest luggage space in its class. The adjustable 2-tier luggage board provides over 140 mm of load height flexibility, making it practical for activities like family camping trips. A near 30-inch widescreen display, including a 12.3-inch cluster, a 5-inch air conditioning panel, and another 12.3-inch AVN display, incorporates seamless touch operation of the climate control functionality and provides clear graphics and intuitive information to the driver. The screen also extends to the center of the dashboard, giving the front seat passenger access to entertainment and navigation features. Many of the EV3's functions, including drive mode, cruise control, entertainment, and navigation, can be accessed and controlled by a simple touch of the steering wheel buttons. A seamless row of buttons below the central screen intuitively operates various functions like mapping, media, and vehicle system configuration. Customers have a wide selection of interior colors, materials, and trim finishes inspired by air, earth, and water elements. Options include subtle gray, warm gray, blue, while Onyx Black is available exclusively on GT line trim. As with every new Kia, the EV3 incorporates various sustainable items to accelerate sustainability at scale. Recycled fabric is applied to the dashboard and door trims to create an intimate and home-like ambience. Polyethylene terephthalate, PET, which is among the most easily recycled plastics in the world, features in numerous areas of the interior, including the seats, headliner, door armrests, garnish, floor mats, and luggage board. Electric drivetrain, exemplary range and ultra-fast charging. The EV3 measures 4,300 mm long, 1,850 mm wide, 1,560 mm high, and has a wheelbase of 2,680 mm. It features a state-of-the-art front-wheel drive electric powertrain based on the Electric Global Modular Platform, EGMP, utilizing Kia's fourth-generation battery technology. The EV3 standard model is offered exclusively with a 58.3 kWh battery, while the EV3 long-range variant is fitted with an 81.4 kWh battery. Both models utilize a 150 kW/283 Nm electric motor, which enables a best 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration time of 7.5 seconds. The EV3's maximum speed is 170 km per hour. The Kia EV3 has been designed and engineered to meet the needs of customers who want a car that matches their sustainability values but do not want to compromise their practical everyday needs. It provides one of the best living and luggage sizes in its class, while our flexible EGMP architecture delivers a best-in-class air driving range. With the EV3, Kia has redefined the EV SUV segment to create a compact model that is comprehensively equipped with innovative technology and features, said Spencer Cho, Vice President and Head of Global Business Planning. As with the larger EV9 SUV, Kia's engineers have left no stone unturned in the pursuit of optimum efficiency with the EV3. It features enhanced body aerodynamics, incorporating a full 3D undercover to deliver an impressively low drag coefficient of 0.263 CD. State-of-the-art battery management unit, BMU, and cell monitoring unit, CMU, technology ensures the 58.3 kWh and 81.4 kWh high-voltage battery systems use energy as efficiently as possible. The EV3 long range provides an estimated range of up to 600 km, WLTP. This impressive flexibility gives those taking their first foray into electric mobility complete confidence to tackle long journeys. When the EV3's battery eventually needs replenishing, occupants can relax in the comfort of the living space-like interior as Kia's advanced vehicle charging management system enables the battery to charge from 10 to 80% in approximately 31 minutes. Large electric SUV technology and safety in the compact sector. Kia has equipped the EV3 with a raft of ultra-advanced safety, driving, convenience and charging features usually reserved for the large EV SUV sector. This creates an enhanced ownership proposition that significantly exceeds what is currently offered in the existing compact SUV sector and provides a transformative and superior driving experience compared with internal combustion engine, ICE, vehicles. The vehicle's advanced driving assistance systems, ADAS, technology includes EDTVC electric dynamic torque vectoring control to ensure the EV3 transfers its power to the road smoothly and stably. Forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, highway driving assist, and reverse parking collision avoidance assist provide additional support and reassurance for drivers on every journey, no matter how long or short. Kia's remote smart parking assist enables owners to maneuver the EV3 confidently and safely into and out of tight spaces without the driver having to sit in the vehicle. Bringing further value to the compact EV SUV sector, the 12-inch head-up display, HUD, projects information on the windshield to minimize driver distraction. The EV3 is the first model to benefit from Kia's new iPedal 3.0 regenerative braking technology, which allows the driver to adjust the level of regenerative braking according to their preference, enabling one-pedal driving. This maximizes energy efficiency and noticeably reduces fatigue on long drives, enabling the vehicle to travel further on a single charge and making the journey more engaging, enjoyable, and comfortable. With the EV3, Kia is the first manufacturer to bring vehicle-to-load, V2L, charging to the compact EV SUV segment, giving occupants the freedom and flexibility to power external devices such as laptops, small fridges, coffee machines, or hair dryers. Kia's Digital Key 2.0 enables customers to avoid the hassle of carrying around physical keys by unlocking and starting the EV3 using only their smartphone or smartwatch. They can also conveniently share the EV3's digital key with friends and family, delivering new levels of innovative technology and digital connectivity. To complement the transformative experience provided by the living space-like interior, Kia has equipped the EV3 with a holistic suite of connectivity and entertainment features. Most of these are designed to be enjoyed safely while the vehicle is on the move, while others can be experienced exclusively when the car is stationary and park is selected. Kia provides various streamable content through its premium streaming service, delivered via LG's Automotive Content Platform, ACP, powered by WebOS. Kia also offers arcade games, allowing occupants to enjoy in-car gaming. The immersive experience is further enhanced by the sound quality of the EV3's Harman Kardon audio system, which delivers an experience akin to a home cinema. The EV3 enables occupants to personalize their vehicle's dashboard and infotainment system with NBA team-inspired display themes. These themes showcase the team's colors, graphics, and animations and are easily accessible through the digital Kia Connect store. Kia plans to expand the selection of display themes in the future, providing even more options for customization. The EV3 is the first EV model to feature Kia's AI assistant technology, which recently made its debut on the Kia K4 compact sedan. This technology provides customers with new and innovative ways to interact with and control the vehicle's features directly and intuitively, enhancing convenience and optimizing productivity during their time in the vehicle. This human-like assistant will always support and inspire users as they explore the world. Kia will soon commence the rollout of these features across other EV models, starting with the EV3.